Hey guys, welcome back to Toad's Garage. Today we're going to be discussing this product I found at O'Reilly's. Not affiliated anyway, I just wanted to share it with you, but it's a 3M Ultra Headlight Restoration Kit. It takes about 40 minutes to do, but restores and protects to light blue UV protection for 2 years. Alright, let's see what's in the package. We got a glove, a disc, directions, sandpaper, more sandpaper, buff pad. I'll give you one glove. More sandpaper, let's see. It's like 260. What size is this? 500. That's a 500. It's 260 grit. Got some tape. What else in here? Headliner clear coat, headliner. Duh! Headlight clear coat. So let's see what they say to do here. Alright, I'll be right back. Alright, first thing we want to do, put some tape around the body panels. Alright. Now it says put your 500 grit on there. Just hook and loop. 500 grit on there. We'll, this is just soap and water. Mild dish soap. Wipe all the road grime off of there. We'll get at it with, put all that on there, get at it. Move you guys over here. Alright, do it again. It's still 500. Alright, now we're going to switch to the 260. Same thing, hook and loop. We're up to 3,000 grit. I think some of that's on the inside too. Yeah. There's that headlight. Pretty dull. Yellow. There's that headlight. A lot of that stuff's on the inside. But I'll definitely be able to see a lot better. At least you can see the lenses compared to this one. See how that thing works? Another wet sand. Well, about 80% better. A lot of that crap is on the inside. But I definitely should be able to see down the road a lot better at night. Let's see what this clear coat. It says kit contains 2 wipes, identical. Light 1 equals first coat for both lights. Light 2, final coat for both lights. Do not unfold the wipe. Put deposit. So you don't want to do that until both lights are done. So yeah, that looks a whole lot better. So now we'll get on the other light. See what we can do with this one. Alright, let's see what that looks like. I think this light's going to look better. It don't look like it has that stuff on the inside of it. It's because that light over there is aftermarket. This is factory. Alright. Let's see how we do with the 3000. They only gave me one 3000 pad. Here we go. Alright. That's on the inside too. That thing does a good job getting rid of that yellow. Got a few little scratches right there I need to get out. Right here. Man, that's made a mess. Alright, well that's all done. Let's apply this clear coat. Let's put this glove on. Oh, I got the glove on. Safety third. Let's see what this clear coat does. Man, that looks brand new. Minus the imperfections on the inside. Let's do this other one. Allow to dry for 5 to 15 minutes. Do not touch. Then take the second wipe and put on a second coat. It says the clear coat's supposed to be good for 2 years. Man, them headlights look awesome. Those look almost factory. Brand new. It's factory. Like Derek would say, it's factory. Check that out. Man, them things were yellow. It's a wonder I could even see going down the road. The next video will be the new headlights I got. Well, I got the low beam. I haven't got the high beam yet, but we're going to replace the low beam. The LEDs. Yeah, that looks good. Man, that turned out nice. That stuff works good. They said about 40 minutes. That's probably about what it took, 40 minutes to an hour. If you weren't recording a video, you could probably get it done in a half hour. Man, them are nice and shiny now. That's awesome. We'll pull the tape off. Shut the hood, check it out. I don't leave anything there. Man, that brightened that up. That is awesome. That's right. Oh, it's still sticky. I want to shut this off. Ain't no sense to watch that dry. But yeah, so now let that dry 5 to 15 minutes. It's a little chilly out, so I'm going to have to turn the heater on and help it speed up, and you won't be able to hear nothing. But yeah, so you got to put this one on second. It's the same stuff. But yeah, check these guys out. Like I said, I'm not affiliated with them. I found it at O'Reilly's. 3M products are always awesome. But yeah, check it out. It really did a nice job on them headlights. So until the next video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hit that bell icon so you know when the next video comes out. But the next video on the Jeep, will be installing the new headlight LED bulbs. But yeah, have a great day. We'll see you later. Bye.